Hey, this is Randy at Porsche Colorado Springs. Here's our 2021 Boxster GTS 4-liter. Beautiful Aventurine Green or a black interior. Got these awesome wheels. It's running at the moment, so you can hear that nice sport exhaust. Really nicely equipped car. This has not been through our service department or detail yet. Take a look on this passenger side. We get on the driver's side. These are Porsche's 14-way seats. Probably the most comfortable and popular seats. This car does have PPF covering the entire front clip. So that's a nice to have that already done. Let's take a look inside the driver's side. GTS down here at the door sill. As we get in, we can see it has 15,481 miles. We do have a heated steering wheel. The little button is right back here. And then we do have a PDK in this one with the paddle shifters. When it's in Sport Plus mode, it really almost has the way it shifts on its own when you brake for a corner is just really nice. You can see the sports chrono stopwatch up here. As we come down to the center console, we do have both heated and ventilated seats for driver and passenger. Again, we have PASM here so we can stiffen or soften up the shocks. And then we do have the sport exhaust that can be turned on or off. This car was not equipped with navigation, so that module is not in here. However, you can get Apple CarPlay if you have an iPhone, and wired CarPlay is available. It's just a really nice, clean Boxster GTS 4-liter. They don't make these anymore. They stopped making it last year in October. So get one of these while you can. They're such a fun car, especially with that 4-liter engine, flat six. Just really special. Any questions, reach out. Randy Wade at Porsche Colorado Springs. My mobile number is 224-770-1060. Thanks for watching.